This video I would like to show you how you can easily and cheaply make a 0.75% of povidone iodine nasal solution. These solutions, as other antiseptic solutions, have been shown to be potentially very helpful in different diseases such as upper respiratory diseases, including viral diseases such as COVID and many other just common flus, common cold and flus, because most of these viruses, they enter our body through our nose, and this is the nasal mucous membrane is the place where they begin to multiply to try to overcome our body. So if we kill them, or at least some portion of them, we can either prevent disease, or we can shorten the duration of the disease, or prevent severe outcomes. And this is what have been shown in some trials. And povidone iodine is just one of the cheapest ways to get it, one of the simpler ways. There are other solutions, but some of them are very expensive and hard to find. And I'm going to show you how it can be made very cheaply, and you can actually make a very sustainable amount of these, so you can use them prophylactically for a long time. And it has been shown to be effective in concentration as low as 0.5% and safe in concentrations of as high as 1.5%. So we're trying to get right into the middle, 0.75%, and I've trialed on myself the solution of 0.5%, which I don't even feel any iodine in that when I smell it. And I've also tried the concentration of 1%, which was a little bit uncomfortable. So here we're gonna go and make a 0.75 a sweet middle concentration percentage. And to do that, we need obviously the povidone iodine. You can get this very cheaply at many places. Again, we need a 10% solution. This is 10% povidone iodine, which says that it's 1% available iodine. This is what we need. We also need any nasal spray. This is the cheapest I got. And this thing, it's not a normal saline. This is 0.65% sodium chloride, disodium phosphate. It also has other ingredients here, which we don't mind as some other here, but they're okay because you can buy commercial sprays and they would have all these things inside of them. So we also need something to transfer create the right concentration. With this bottle, you can make many of these sprays. You can really last for a long time. We also need a little math to understand how much of each one we need. And just to quickly explain, there's much more math involved, but very simply we found this coefficient, which is roughly 12.3 times more of this we need then this is just like a coefficient. So this means that we need to transfer 7.135, or roughly 7.1 and a half, or 7.2 milliliters of this solution to, we have 88 milliliters over here. It says 88 milliliters of this solution. So we need 7.2, roughly 7.2 milliliters of this solution added to 88 milliliters of this solution, and that will produce us a roughly 0.75% concentration. And we don't need to be extremely precise here. It's nice to be as precise as you can. And if you want to learn the math of how I got to it, I can also show you how it works in the other video. But here I'm just gonna show you how this looks like. So I'm gonna be using this catheter to just help me and transfer all of that stuff. I'm gonna attach this to the syringe. I'm gonna get all of this away. Now, like I said, we need a 10 cc syringe would be perfect because it's as close to our amount that we need as possible. And we're just gonna draw the 7. Okay, let me see. Yeah, that's roughly maybe a little more than 7.2. But like I said, we don't need to be very precise here. We are very well in the safe range and very well in the effective range. So like I said, I trialed solution of 0.5%, which seemed to be a little too light for me. I also tried solution of 1%, which seemed to be a little bit too rough. So we want to get it just right. And we transfer all of this. Hopefully there's enough room. And there's exactly enough room. So this solution here, just gonna close it. And we mix it. We thoroughly mix it to get it all mixed nice and neat. Now, lastly, what I'm gonna do, because this is quite a big bottle, and I specifically took the bigger one, the 3 fluid ounces, just to get more of that so I can share and refill my smaller bottle. So this one, you can get these on eBay, Amazon. This one I just got from dollar store, and I just opened it up, empty it, and dried it out. And so we just pour our solution in here, inside, as much as there will fit. And we can see that it's already this yellowish orange like color because we have mixed the povidone iodine into it. And it also unfortunately gets a little foamy, which is not a big problem. Okay, so now this is our solution. Just gonna press it in. This thing was very hard to take off. Yeah, there we go. And so we get our spray here. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that's it. This is what we have. Well, of course, if you can, go consult with your doctor. Ask me if you have more questions, or make sure you don't have any contraindications such as allergy to povidone iodine or any other ingredients and components, or you don't have any severe thyroid issues that might get exacerbated, or that you know your thyroid symptoms that you would know that you have exacerbation. So you can stop using this and go consult your doctor if you have any issues of that sort. Please like and subscribe and have a great day.